Hello guys, my name is Mr. Solving Problems because I always come up with the solutions when it comes to solving the problems. So guys, today we have a new problem, understanding the algebraic expressions and the variables. So we need to solve these problems together so that we can know what are future steps when we come across this problem. Guys, today as I said that we are going to learn about the algebraic expressions and the variables. You must note that and also put that into our minds that the algebraic expressions are important because they help us to understand and also to describe the patterns, relationships, and unknown numbers using the letters. In terms of the unknown numbers, it can be any number, of which can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, as long as it represented by x. Or when we're dealing with the algebraic expressions. So we must note that the algebraic expressions, they combine the numbers and the variables and the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So I said before that we, in that number of the contents, we also have the variables. So the variables are represented by the letters. So the letters of mentions, it can be X, it can be A, it can be any letter that can be. But we must note that those are the variables, which means that the unknown numbers which you don't know, and you have to find them when we are dealing with the algebraic expressions, but in the longer context of that. So this example that you're going to work out together so that you can, maybe it will help us to understand, but I hope that you are going to understand the algebraic. So I remember guys, as I said, we are doing the example now together. So this is my example. So I have to turn this example to an algebraic expression. So this example, it says we want to buy 2 pencils and each pencil costs X rand, which means we don't know what this X stands for, or we don't know the cost of the pencil, which means we're going to use the variables before. As I said, that the variables are the letters. It can be any number, but for us, since we don't know what is the cost, we're going to use X or any letter. So let's continue with our example. We want to buy 2 pencils, each pencil costs X rand, and we also want to buy 3 erasers. So as an expression, so this is 2. This 2 is the coefficient of this pencil. So this stands for coefficient, these 2 pencils, which means we have 2 pencils. So it's like it's 1 times 2 to get this 2. Then this X, we don't know the cost, which it represents the cost of the pencil. Each pencil will cost X because we don't know what the cost of the pencil. Then, as we noted that before, the expressions, it also involves the